I've been in the auto repair industry for over 40 years with several employers. I've never worked for a company that treats their employees better than A1 Custom Car Care does. The benefits are excellent, especially the paid days off, health insurance, and retirement plan. Beyond that, A1's management allows me to focus on why I'm here, to service customers' vehicles. The company is very serious about their business, but provides a work environment that allows us to work without outside stresses. That's very important to me. I recommend this company to any professional technician. They are very good to work for. I wish I had found them earlier.